Are you tired of messy kitchen cabinets and wasted food? The right food storage containers can revolutionize your kitchen organization while keeping your meals fresh for days. Today, we're revealing the top 5 food storage solutions that will transform your meal prep game in 2026.
Number 5.
Space is precious in every kitchen, and this collapsible silicone container is a total game changer for anyone struggling with cabinet clutter. What makes this product brilliant is its ability to collapse down to just a fraction of its full size when not in use, giving you up to 70% more storage space in your cabinets. The premium food-grade silicone construction is completely BPA-free and safe for your family while being tough enough to handle daily use. You can pop it straight from the freezer to the microwave without any worries, and when you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. The airtight seal locks in freshness and prevents any leaks or spills. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, packing lunches, or storing leftovers, these stackable containers adapt to your needs perfectly. For current pricing and to grab this space-saving solution, check the description and comments below.
Number 4.
If you're serious about kitchen organization and meal prep, this comprehensive container set is exactly what you need to take control of your food storage once and for all. This incredible set includes up to 50 pieces depending on your needs, featuring 12 to 25 containers with matching lids that create a complete storage ecosystem for your entire kitchen. Every container is made from high-quality BPA-free plastic that's completely safe for storing all your favorite foods. The leak-proof design with secure locking lids means you can confidently transport soups, sauces, and liquids without worrying about messy spills in your bag. These containers are brilliantly stackable, maximizing your refrigerator and pantry space. They're microwave-safe for quick reheating, and the set includes free labels and a kitchen marker for easy identification. Various sizes accommodate everything from small snacks to large family portions. Check the description and comments for pricing details.
Number 3.
Organization meets functionality in this airtight container set, designed to make life easier daily. With 24 to 48 pieces, this provides everything for a perfectly organized kitchen and meal prep station. Easy to secure lids snap firmly, creating airtight seals keeping food fresher longer. Sets include 12 to 24 containers with matching lids, plus complementary labels and marker. Versatile for pantry staples like flour and cereal, or perfect for travel, picnics, and camping. Durable plastic construction withstands regular use while remaining lightweight. Crystal clear design lets you see contents at a glance for easier planning. Stacked neatly in cabinets or pantry for professional-looking storage, saving space and reducing waste. This organizational upgrade makes a real difference. Find the purchase link in the description and comments.
Number 2.
Glass storage offers a premium experience plastic can't match, and this 8-pack delivers exceptional quality at amazing value. These glass containers feature leak-proof locking lids creating secure seals, perfect for meal prep and bento boxes. Borosilicate glass is BPA-free and won't absorb odors, stains, or flavors like plastic. The incredible versatility lets you go from freezer to microwave to oven for ultimate flexibility. Dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Clear glass looks elegant and lets you monitor food storage at a glance. Each thoughtfully sized container is perfect for portion control, lunch packing, or leftovers, while maintaining fresh from kitchen taste. Glass is more hygienic and eco-friendly than disposables, making this a smart investment. Ready to upgrade? Check the description and comments for the link.
Number 1.
Taking the top spot is this outstanding 12-piece glass set, combining superior quality, perfect sizing, and incredible functionality. This premium set includes a dozen glass containers with airtight lids for comprehensive meal prep, pantry organization, and daily storage. Professional-grade borosilicate glass is exceptionally durable for years of use, while leak-proof lids ensure food stays fresh in your fridge, freezer, or lunch bag. What sets this apart is remarkable versatility, used in microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher. Glass won't retain smells or stains, ensuring meals taste exactly right. Various sizes accommodate small snacks to family portions. Perfect for meal prepping, organizing, packing lunches, or storing leftovers with outstanding performance. Quality glass storage means better freshness and containers lasting years. Get the best price by checking the description and comments.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.